everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so surprised I still get these messages. A lot of you guys are still emailing me, sending me messages asking how to put on your false lashes, and I know, I totally understand, because when I started doing makeup, you guys, it took me quite a while before I could, you know, get a hold on how easy and like how to apply your false lashes. Very easy, simple, stress-free, and like under 2-3 minutes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a detailed step-by-step method of applying your false lashes. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So my very first step into getting a very nice stress-free eyelash application is to make sure you go ahead and line your lash line. And as you all can see, I don't have, like, I just did my whole face and I left my eyes. So I discovered this very early, and immediately I discovered it, it made my eyelash application very easy, and it's to go in and apply eyeliner on your lash line. And this will help, number one, hide any band, like any band from the lashes, and also it gives the eyelash a very nice surface to stick to, because as you all can see, I used somewhat like a glitter on my eyes today. So if I don't go ahead and line my lash line, sometimes, you know, the lashes will be struggling with the eyeshadow or the glitter. So the very first thing to do is to go ahead, use, whether you have gel liner, liquid liner, pen liner, anyone, just make sure you apply a black eyeliner, so it will help hide the band of the lashes whenever you go ahead and apply your lashes. Then the next thing is to apply mascara, and I'm using this one from Eyelash. And applying mascara first before your lashes helps to prolong the longevity of your lashes, because when you go ahead and put on your lashes and then apply mascara, like, your mascara gets all into the lashes. So to avoid that, I love to go ahead and apply mascara after my liner. And also when I'm applying my mascara, I love to go behind my lashes, just to make sure I pull my lashes to the front, because sometimes when you apply your mascara and it goes all the way to the back, like you make your lashes go to the back, sometimes you find yourself struggling with the lashes, like it gets so difficult applying the lashes. Once I'm done with the upper lashes, I love to go ahead and apply mascara on the lower lashes. Okay, so I decided to pull in on you guys, and when it comes to false lashes, we have different types of false lashes. We have mink, we have human hair, we have synthetic, so it all depends. I believe you have to try the three of them out and know the one that is easier for you. And for me, I love mink lashes a lot, and of course they have a very long lifespan. You can use them for, I think, 33 months, 30 days, it all depends. One of my favorite mink lashes is from Icon Lashes, and you know, they have different styles. So I just want to show you guys what mink lashes look like. Like, they are very fluffy, very nice and sexy. They always give that very nice sexy feel to the eyes. And then we have synthetic lashes, and then my favorite human hair lashes is this right here. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, sometime last week I was ranting on my Instagram account, like my Instagram story. I was telling you guys that for the past 4 months I've been looking for these lashes and they are nowhere to be found. Like, they sold out since 4 months ago. So I decided to, someone told me they saw it at TJ Maxx, and then another person told me they saw it in Walmart. So you guys, I had to run down to Walmart, and thankfully it's not even in every Walmart. The one I went to is the one in Teterboro, so you know, here in New Jersey. So I went there and I saw stacks of these lashes, so of course I had to stock up. So I decided to get 5 of the lashes, and as you all can see, this right here retails for $8.99, I believe. I think $8.95 or $8.99. Like, whenever I wear these lashes, everybody, like, people always ask me, please, what lashes are you wearing? And this is it. For those of you that always ask after my lashes, this is exactly the lashes, and it's the Salon Perfect 615 lashes. I think this is their new package, because the package I'm used to is this one right here. This one is the one that just finished. Oh my gosh, this is the package I'm used to right here, but I guess they changed their packaging. So this is the lashes I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. If you want your eyes to talk without you saying anything, go and pick up these lashes because they will do all the talking for you. So what I love to do is to use my tweezer. It all depends. And also some lashes come with kind of an extender. As you all can see, this one doesn't have it, but some lashes, especially mink lashes, they come with lash extender, and that is where you're supposed to hold, you know, and then pull it. Like, it makes it easier. That is for beginners, you know. If you're just starting this you know, journey, I would really advise you go for lashes that have that little extender by their sides, because it will be easier for you to pull them off from their box. But if you're okay with this one, you can as well use, you know, any lashes that don't have any extender, as long as you're going to be very careful pulling them up from their boxes. And another thing is, with these lashes, you guys, I love to stack. Like, I don't like using just one pair of the lashes, like just using just one pair like this. I love to stack it up. So I love to stack like 2 pairs per eye. So I'll go ahead and remove the lashes from the box like this. I'll just get the second one and then pair them up together. You have to make sure you line them up so you don't have any gap. Like, you want them to be on top of each other. And when you're applying your lashes, 2 main things you need is a tweezer and some eyelash glue. I actually love this one from Dior. The 2 main tools you're going to need for applying your eyelashes is a tweezer, and this is actually a tweezer too. But why I love this one is because, as you all can see, like, it have two what is it called, like 2 ends. So this one, I love to use it to press my natural lashes and the falsies together. Once I apply the falsies, we're going to go ahead now and apply lashes, and I'm going to use my eyelash glue. Another easy way to make sure that you don't apply a lot of glue on your lashes is you want to deposit the glue at the back of your palm, and then you go in with the tail of your tweezer. This is like a very easy way to apply glue on your lashes, and then you just go ahead and dab the glue right on the band of the lashes. It makes it really, really easy. Also, before you apply your lashes, you want to make sure that you measure it. Like, you want to make sure it's the very same measurement with your lash line. If it's too long, you probably have to go in with a scissors. I love to use these scissors right here because it's very, very small, and it makes it easy to, you know, to cut the excess lashes. But this one, you guys, because I'm an OG with these lashes, I already know this is my perfect lash line measurement, so I don't need to cut anything out. Also, every lash have different styles. As you all can see, with this one right here, you want to make sure that you place, you know, when you look at this right here, you will notice that this inner side is kind of shorter than the outer side. So that means this right here is supposed to go on my left eye, and then this one is supposed to go on my right eye. So you want to be very, very sure of that before you place your eyelashes, because they have the left eyelashes and then they have the right eyelashes. So you want to make sure of that. But with this particular eyelash I'm using for today's tutorial, they don't have, it's like the same exact measurement, so you don't need to worry about that. You just want to hold it up for probably 2-3 minutes. Please don't blow on your lashes because it's unhygienic at all. It's like sometimes when you're blowing, you're even blowing like spit onto the lashes, so you don't want to do that. You can just, you know, do it just this way. The easiest way to apply your lashes is to get a mirror, like a very nice compact mirror, and then you kind of look down. As you all can see, like I'm looking down, so I'm easily seeing where my lash line is, and you just go ahead and drop the eyelash. Once you know where, once you see your lash line, it's very, very easy. The first step is to drop the eyelash right at the center of your lashes, and then you go into the inner and also the outer part of your lashes. And doing it this way just helps to pull, like you want to pull it inwards, and also you go out and then you pull it outward to make sure it balances on your lash line. I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing with the second eye. You drop it. Just like this. It's easy, you guys. Once you make it tacky, it's very, very easy. You just drop it. Even when it doesn't drop well, just drop it, and then you use you then go in and set it up the way you want it to be. Can you guys see? It's not difficult, right? And then I'm going to go in with this tweezer right here. I use it to press my natural lashes and the falsies together, and this will help get rid of any demarcation, or you know, sometimes when you see people wear false lashes, you can see a separation between the false lashes and their natural lashes, and it's not meant to be so. So that is why you need this right here. Or if you don't have this, you can easily also go in with your finger and press them together, so you all can see. This is actually very, very easy. Like, it's easier. You just go in with your finger and press the falsies and your natural lashes together. And that is it, you guys. As you all can see, you can't see any demarcation between my natural lashes and the falsies. And that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you follow these simple steps, trust me, you're on your way to getting that very nice, like, easy, simple eyelash application. Yeah guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.